Hey, welcome back to the Ernest P YouTube channel. I'm Ernest and we're doing another episode of Roadside Recovery. I'm under a truck right now. I'll show you why in just a second. But the customer called me, said his truck ain't running and he wants me to come look at it. It started making some noise and it seemed like it seized up. It stopped running and it won't run anymore. And well, we got up here. It'll turn on because I guess it's cooled down and it's just knocking like crazy. So we'll take a look at that. Hey, welcome back to the Ernest P YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at how to tell if your engine is blown. So I'm not going to start it right now, but when you do, it's just knocking like crazy. So you got a bunch of knocking, and look up here, we can see a bit of oil. So something's come loose, there's some oil coming out. But the kicker is, when you look under here, everything's completely coated in oil. So this is the underside. And it's hard to see, but if you look up there, you can't see it on the camera, there's a hole in the block. So if you're rattling like crazy, you got oil coming out of everywhere, going all the way to the back of the truck or your car or whatever, and check around and see if you didn't throw a rod. What happens is if it seizes up, that rod will break and shoot out the side of the block. So that's what happened here. This truck's gonna have to get a new motor. Luckily this one's under warranty, so the customer's gonna take it in, get it warranted, and get himself a new motor.